Okay. Now we'll move towards the next point. In last lecture, we have started the design of combined footing. From that, we have completed the first point, that is of related to the size of footing. How to go for the size, how to choose the or how to determine the size of footing. The size of footing, which is determined by using the with the help of the shape bearing capacity and the load on the column A and the column B. Load divided by shape bearing capacity will get the area of the footing. Okay, that is the design step number 1, to choose or to determine the size of the footing. Next one is to structural analysis. We have to made over here. The structural analysis of combined footing is the same as analyzing the invert simply supported beam supported by 2 columns with the factored soil pressure as a loading. या ठिकाणी काय करायचं आपल्याला, we have to calculate 2 column असणाऱ्या त्या ठिकाणी simply supported beam असेल, there are the 2 column, load is acting on that simply supported beam, and we have to go for this loading analysis, or we have to go for the SFD BMD diagram for the calculating the shear force and the bending moment. The procedures are as follows. Calculate the factored footing pressure. That footing pressure will get from the shape bearing capacity. After that, we have to calculate the shear at an effective depth from the face of the column. Okay, calculate the shear force, and the second one is for the bending moment. Means there is a positive moment and a negative moment. Okay, that we have to calculate by this shear force and bending moment diagram. That is the structural analysis of that beam with respect with loading conditions of column number A and the column number 2. That is the structural analysis part over here for the calculating the SFD and the BMD for the maximum and the positive moment and the negative moment of that beam. Next one is to go for the check for shear. Next step is to go for the check for the shear. Next step is to calculate for the punching shear. There is a check for shear. The critical sections of punching shear is taken at the one the effective depth from the face of the column, that we have to check over here. And the for column at the edge of footing, the critical sections of punching shear only has 3 sides along the columns, and critical section of different shear is taken at the effective depth from the face of the column. In third step is to calculate the to check for the shear. Next one is the design for the reinforcement, where the longitudinal reinforcement is there, shear reinforcement is there, and the transverse reinforcement is there. For all the details, we have to go for the design steps, and for the design for the calculating the area of steel, and based on this area of steel, we have to calculate the shear reinforcement in vertical and the horizontal direction. That is for the longitudinal and the transverse direction, and based on this, we have to go for the reinforcement details that we have to show into the footing. Okay, footing cross sections area in the cross section of the footing. That part we have to show. Okay, there is a design step. Based on this, we have written here what is the actual step of the combined footing to calculate the whatever the loads, whatever the reinforcement in the transverse direction and the longitudinal direction. Okay. And what is the last point, that is how to show the reinforcement details of the combined footing into the cross section of upper section area of the combined footing. That part we see in the next lecture. Okay, now we stop here for this today's practical. The remaining part jo ahe, so that part we see in the next lecture. So thank you all, and all of you try to go for this combined footing. Already Gosavi sir has completed from the DCS second, so all of you go through this and write down the submission about this combined footing design, and I will send the link to you for the uploading, and you have to complete the PDF. You have to complete this design of combined footing, scan it and send the PDF to me on that Google form. So I will give you the marks based on this. Okay, so all of you try to complete it within a week. Okay. All remaining part we'll see on the Saturday's practical. Thank you all.